to my channel. I hope you're liking my previous videos that I usually take out the message from the universe for the upcoming day, and sometimes it's just for some of the twin flames that are actually subscribing to my channel and actually looking at the videos, because sometimes I actually do pick up their energies. So yesterday's reading was really intense and it was super good, and it was resonating mostly with the fire signs yesterday. Okay, so today I'm going to do the message from the universe, and then in the next videos you will also see that I'm going to take a collective readout for the fire signs, water signs, air signs and earth signs. So it's going to be a collective read. So I'm going to upload it in like a day or so. I mean, by the end of tomorrow you'll definitely get all those reads. Okay, so let's see what we have for the upcoming day. What is the message from the universe that we have for the upcoming day? So the very first card that came for all of us today is, that's a very nice card actually. It's a fiery climax approaches. So it's time to see if you have been a little bit too much saying me, and then just being into your own comfort zone, not thinking about the needs of the people around you or other people. So this is actually for all of you, that there's a fiery climax that actually approaches. Yeah, again, I feel it is for the fire signs. It is a very fire energy, I would say. Okay, although it's not a negative card, it's a positive card. That the climax, it's a positive climax for your life, but it's gonna be so far. Let's see what else this card has to say and what else this card has to tell us. Okay, so whenever this card comes out, usually reaching their conclusion. Like when a movie has to end, we see the climax right before the ending, right? So it's not like something in your life is ending, but maybe something new is starting up, and it's a fiery climax before that new thing is gonna start. So what can we do basically? Like, maybe the energy that I'm feeling is like you are in a very tense situation and you just don't know what to do at the moment. You're just simply not even meditating or doing the inner work kind of things, I would say. You are just stressing about the things that are not in your control at the moment. It's all in the divine's hands at the moment. So with this card, all you have to do is, it's actually yes for all those people who were asking any kind of a question. It's a yes for all those people who have a question in their mind and just came up to this read. I just want to tell them that there is a new start. It's a brand new start. Like, it is a super good start that's coming your way, and you're gonna see the climax right away. All you have to do at the moment is meditate and just have peace in your mind. Don't be too much stressed, don't have a lot of tension, because it's all in the divine's hands, and divine is actually saying that whatever happens, divine is there at your back. She is looking after everything. She has already taken care of everything, so you don't have to worry about anything. If you're stressing about a situation, do not stress about it. But let's see what the divine wants to say, other than just being assertive, just being good, and just keep meditating. Let's see. So the divine is actually telling you to have some more fun also with this card. So don't be too much stressed. Divine saying everything she can handle and everything has already been taken care of. You don't have to worry about it. Let's see what the next card says. Okay, exactly. So, as the previous card was also saying that there's a fiery climax that's approaching your way. Maybe you have been in your comfort zone too much and you didn't want to leave that. That's why there's this kind of a fiery climax that the divine has to put into your life so you can actually come out of that comfort zone and take the action. Take the action, whichever action you need to take. Maybe it's for your career or maybe it's for any kind of a relationship. Whatever action you have to take, now this is the time to take that action. Okay, so this is the time to actually step out of your comfort zone. And also what this card says is that you have to leave the past behind. I think I've been explaining this way too much in all my reels, that you have to leave your past behind. If you keep on hanging on to that past, you are just delaying the new start that's coming your way. If you don't release that stress or tension, you are simply delaying your process that divine wants you to get into. Your divine purpose is something else. But whatever you're stuck in at the moment, do not stress about it too much. But if you know that you have been in your comfort zone and you just wanted to stay in there, and sometimes we're not even in the comfort zone. Sometimes we say, okay, 99% of the times this 99% this thing is possible, and the other thing that I'm going towards is not possible, or maybe there's just like 1% chance that it can happen. The divine is telling you that you have to go towards that 1% chance, because divine has already taken care of that thing, and you have to leave the past behind. The past has to be left in order to move forward in life. You cannot keep hanging on to that, because this is what just keeps on happening again and again. Like life goes in cycles. Okay, if you don't take that start now, divine's gonna put you into more trials and tribulations. Eventually after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, eventually you're gonna come into the same situation again. Again, you have to go through all that karmic thing, all that trials that the divine is putting your way. And eventually again you have to, as I explained in the previous video too, like this is the highway. Divine is saying that it's open, just go that way. All you have to do is take the action, which actually the third card suggests to all of us, that we have to take the action in order to achieve the reality, the dream that we actually wanted to become reality. So we have to take the action. So whatever situation you are in, the only thing divine is trying to tell you is take that action, and you're eventually going to reach, you will eventually reach out to, maybe if you have to talk to somebody, maybe you can easily reach out to that person. Maybe some things you are not able to do at the moment. Maybe you are like too stubborn to do those things. Maybe you are too much in your comfort zone that you see that if I get out of this, I have to go through all that. You will eventually have to go through all that. How much you can delay it, it's completely not in your hands. Like if you lose the chance now, divine's gonna put you into another trial. And then what happens? That trial just goes in cycles and cycles and cycles till you learn the lesson, and then again you are standing at the same position where you are now. So this is for the people who have already done their inner work, who have already meditated, done the yoga and things. This reading is actually for those people to whom divine is saying that your trial has been completed. Your tough time is over. Now we are just reaching the conclusion. Okay. So also the divine with this second card is trying to tell you that you are actually on the right path. You are in the right direction. Now you have to stand on your own 2 feet. You need to face that little fear. You have a fear about something, you have to face that fear in order to move forward. You cannot stay stuck in the same position for years and years and years. Divine is gonna push you hard. Divine is gonna push you hard if you don't move from that place. Okay? So, just don't have any kind of fear. Trust the divine. Ask the divine for help. If you need any kind of help from the divine, if you have to approach somebody, if you have to talk to a boss, if you have to do anything like that, talk to divine. Just say, I need your help in so and so thing, and you'll see how your life changes. So just meditate, ask for guidance from your angels, and you will get that strength. Because it says there's a fiery climax, so means you are definitely gonna get that strength. You will for sure get the strength to do whatever fear you have about at the moment. Okay. Now let's see the third card. Okay, so the next card actually says that it's time to take action. You have to take action. The thing that you're thinking about is already said and done by the divine. The divine has already heard your manifestation, visualized your whole book, and put it that whole thing is still in the universe. All you have to do is take the action so it can become your own reality. Why? Because we are living in this 3D world. We need to make some practical decisions in order to survive. So you do have to take the action. If you don't take the action, if you keep on holding on to your past, or if you keep on holding on to the fears that you have about a certain thing, you eventually cannot grow. In order to grow, you have to face that fear, or divine is again gonna push you hard, because it is the divine time now. It is the divine time for all you people, because the very first card said that you have the fiery climax. It is approaching, so that means it is the divine time. If you don't listen to it in an easy way, divine is gonna push you hard. You eventually will have to do something. So if you're thinking about giving up, this card suggests do not even think about giving up. If you're scared of a change, that change will happen whatsoever. Whether you like it or not, that change is going to happen for you, for sure. So don't even think of giving up. Just do your best. It's like someone new is actually coming into your life. So for all those people who are looking for any kind of relationship advice, this card actually says that someone new is definitely coming into your life. All you have to do is, it's time to take the action now. You have to take the action. For those of you who already know someone, it's time for you to take the action. Let's see what the conclusion is for this read. Okay. So the last card says, conclusions are within reach. Okay, so the same thing. Your situation has reached the peak. You're just gonna have that climax. You have to take that action. If you don't take it easily, divine's gonna push you hard. You eventually have to do that, and because it's time, it's now time. You cannot delay it anymore. When it's divine time, no one can actually delay it. Right? So it is time, and if you take the action easily, it's very nice for all of you. Those people who have done inner work must know about this, that it's much easier to take the action right away. So what else does this card say? That it's time for you to get back on track. You need meditation, you need yoga. Those things are recommended because things are unfolding in their own way. Things are unfolding in your life in their own way. But definitely, all the conclusions, all the situation that you're asking about, or whatever question you're asking about, the conclusion is right there. It's right under your nose. All you have to do is take the action and simply just ask. If you ask, it's done right away, because it's divine time. Divine has already seen the manifestation. Divine has already seen your struggle and already seen the troubles that you have been going through. Now it's the divine time. The only thing divine is telling you to do is it's time for you to take the action, to take some of the practical decisions, and eventually divine is gonna push you hard. You are gonna be like a fiery ball that eventually just explodes in a positive way, not in like a negative way, but in a positive way. You simply just gonna explode, and everything is gonna be in front of you right away. Whatever fears you have, the divine is gonna remove all those fears for you. If you want all that in an easier way, just talk to divine. Just take some guidance from your guided angels. Okay, you will receive the answers. Just try and meditate today and get the answers from the angels. You have all those answers. All you need is confirmations. Once you have that confirmation, and the best confirmation that you can get is with this reading, divine is telling you that that thing has already been manifested. All you have to do is take the action in the physical world. Okay, so those were all the messages for all of you today. As I mentioned before, that I'll be taking out the reads for collective reads for fire sign, water sign, earth sign and air sign for the next week, which is 13th of July to the 19th of July. So those will be uploaded on my channel soon. Till then, just keep watching through all the videos, and whatever messages you're getting from the divine, just try and take those messages, meditate and see what your guided angels, what your higher self is actually trying to tell you. Just meditate and you'll get all the answers. Okay, so see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.